We are going to explore the master data in production planning. The master data in production planning is BOMs, bill of materials, work center, routing, production versions. Before creating BYM, we need to make sure that we have input components ready and also the final product. Having said that, I'm going to create a final product by using transaction code MM01 to create a product, and the product is welding machine. Hit enter and you have all these views. Select all these views by clicking the green button right here. All the views are highlighted now, and go ahead and deselect the last two views here and click on organization levels. So the organization, the plant in which I'm going to produce this product is 3000. Storage location is 0002 and sales organization is 3000. Distribution channel 10. I'm not going to use any warehouse, but if you want to use warehouse, that would be 300, and storage type would be 005. Since I'm using warehouse, let me change the storage location that is connected to the warehouse. Then uncheck this, and if I save here, you can see the organization information right here. Hit enter. The first thing is description. Welding machine, ECW welding machine, hand cap welding machine. Unit of measure each. The product group 004. The division 00. Gross 1. Net 1. Enter. Enter. Select the batch number. OK. Enter. Click here to go to the next screen. Hit enter, and you need to fill up the tax or no tax. So 1 is tax, 0 is no tax. You fill up that information, hit enter, keep on hitting enter till you go to the next screen. On this screen you have to fill up the transportation group, the loading group. Hit enter. Foreign trade, the sales text, purchasing information. Hit enter. Foreign trade, purchasing text, MRP, MRP type PD, MRP controller 001, lot size, exact lot. Hit enter. Hit enter. Schedule margin key 00. Hit enter. In-house production 2 days. Hit enter. Hit enter. Hit enter. The forecasting model, constant model. Hit enter. Enter again. Task list 009. Enter. 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 The valuation class for this product is 7920. Finished product. The price $10,000. Hit enter. 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 Save it. Now you have created a welding machine which is a finished product. Now we need to create the input components that are going to go into the assembly of this machine. Let's go ahead and do that.